Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Instagram followers that don't follow you back. Before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, I can offer it for you for only $1 your first month. So you don't have to pay $37, you only pay $1. Click the link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right, and then you can click on following. Now, if it says following, that means I'm following this person. But if I were to click on it and then click on message, you need to scroll to the very top if you don't have much conversations, but you can see you follow each other on Instagram. That means I follow them and they follow me back. So that's what these you follow each other on Instagram means. Another way is to check it. So for example, let's go back, and if I were to click on this person and message them, as you can see, it doesn't say that we follow each other. It says you don't follow each other on Instagram, which means this person does not follow me on Instagram. But what if you had like hundreds or thousands of people you want to check whether they follow you back? So you want to go back to your profile, click on the hamburger menu at the top right, click on Accounts Center, scroll down and click on Your Information and Permissions, and then you want to click on Download Your Information. So just click on Download or Transfer Information, then just click on Some of Your Information, and then you want to click on you will see followers and following. So just select that, click on next, then choose the download to device or transfer to destination. I just go with download to device. You can choose date range like last year, last month, last 3 weeks, months, and etc. Then you just want to click on create files, and your information is being prepared for download. We'll let you know when it's ready. As you can see, this is the information that's getting prepared, the one I just requested. Then, if you're on iPhone, your download probably happened in files. So open up files, you would go to browse, downloads, and then you will see something like Instagram downloads, followers, or whatever, because I'm still waiting for it to show. It's not downloaded yet, but you will have it here. Then you will need to tap inside that Instagram thing on connections, and then on followers and following. And you will see a followers and follower list, and you basically want to click on following, and then you will get this giant list, and you want to go, once you have copied all of the people from the list, you want to go to Safari or Chrome or whenever. Then you want to type in compare two lists, and once you have the opening, so basically on list A, just input the list following, list B followers, and you would just click compare lists, and then you will be able to see the difference in following. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, click the link in the description.